I'm Dr. Pester. You know me. I'm an author of my great unique method of studying English. Today, I would like to talk about nature. I was in zoo several days ago and saw many different animals. There were big cats, dead dogs, and even a little pig. I paced the rounds again and again and finally understood. I'm not in the mood by now. But what's wrong? Only 2 hours ago I was absolutely happy and cheerful. And I ask myself, so what the hell is wrong with you? It was an atmosphere around the place. I saw animals, but didn't see happiness in their eyes. I heard them, but didn't hear sounds of freedom in their breath. Poor animals. How can we understand what they really want right now? How can we know whether they want to stay caged or not? Maybe we don't know about it better than animals do, but unfortunately, they can't say anything to us. Poor animals. They do not have happiness. They do not have freedom. They even do not have $99.99 to order my unique method of English and speak English already in 4 months. If you please, already in 4 months, that beautiful pink pig could say, "You're another! Leave me alone, Buster, and bring me a beer instead of your fucking water next time!" But unfortunately, they can't. You can. Call me right now, order my unique method and speak English already in 4 months. It's true. Thank you. And I hope to see you in England in 4 months. Bye bye. My unique method of English. Buy it once and live in France. Just like me.